Hey there, crypto comrades. So you've got some digital dough sitting in a wallet somewhere and you're thinking it's time to move it to Binance. Smart move. Binance is like the New York Stock Exchange of cryptocurrency, except without the stuffy suits and confusing jargon. It's where the action is, folks. But before you transfer your precious Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, don't judge. There are a few things you need to know. Don't worry though, it's not rocket surgery. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, like a blockchain Sherpa guiding you to the summit of crypto trading nirvana. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that transferring cryptocurrency is not like sending an email, it's more like transferring money between different banks. Each cryptocurrency has its own network, like Bitcoin's blockchain or Ethereum's network. You need to make sure you're sending your crypto to the correct address on the correct network. Think of it like sending a letter. You wouldn't send a letter addressed to London to a post office in Paris, would you? The same principle applies to cryptocurrency transfers. It's crucial to double-check the address and network compatibility before you hit send. Otherwise, your crypto could end up lost in the digital ether, never to be seen again. All right, let's get down to business. The first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. Don't have one? No problem. Head over to the Binance website and create an account. It's free, easy, and faster than ordering a pizza. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Binance dashboard. Think of this as your crypto command center. From here, you can buy, sell, trade, and of course, transfer cryptocurrency. Now, before you go throwing your digital dollars around like confetti, let's make sure your account is secure. Binance offers something called two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's an extra layer of security that makes it harder for hackers to steal your precious crypto. Basically, it means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still won't be able to access your account without a special code that's sent to your phone. It's like having a bodyguard for your Bitcoin. Setting up 2FA is super easy and only takes a few minutes. Trust me, it's worth the extra effort. The last thing you want is for some digital bandit to make off with your hard-earned crypto. So, enable 2FA for the love of Satoshi. Now that you're all logged in and secure, it's time to find your Binance deposit address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers that identifies your Binance wallet. It's like your account number for cryptocurrency. To find your deposit address, go to your Binance wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Let's say you want to transfer some Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin in your wallet and then click on Deposit. You'll see a long string of characters. That's your Bitcoin deposit address. Don't even think about trying to type this address manually. One wrong character and your crypto could end up in the digital abyss. Instead, click on the Copy Address button. This will copy the address to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Think of it like copying and pasting text, but instead of words, you're copying and pasting digital money. Easy peasy, right? Section 4, hitting send, initiating the transfer. All right, we're almost there. Now it's time to initiate the transfer from your external wallet. This is where you need to be extra careful and double-check everything. Remember what I said about network compatibility? Make absolutely sure that you're sending your crypto to the correct address on the correct network. If you're not sure, consult the help section of your external wallet or contact Binance support. They're usually pretty helpful, unlike my cable company. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and paste your Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Then, take a deep breath, double-check everything one last time, and hit send. Congratulations, you've just initiated a cryptocurrency transfer. Now, the waiting game begins. Depending on the cryptocurrency and the network traffic, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for the transaction to be confirmed. Section 5, Confirmation and Celebration. You did it. After you've hit send, you'll need to wait for the blockchain to confirm your transaction. This is like waiting for a bus, except instead of a bus schedule, you have a blockchain explorer. A blockchain explorer is a website that allows you to track the progress of your transaction in real time. You can think of it as a GPS tracker for your cryptocurrency. Once your transaction has been confirmed, the cryptocurrency will appear in your Binance account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency to Binance. Now you can start trading, investing, or simply hodling your cryptocurrency on one of the world's largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. Just remember to always be mindful of security, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy trading, everyone.